Did you know that in Cayenne, French Guiana, time actually goes 2.5 minutes slower per day than in Paris? I know that sounds impossible, but stick to the end of the video and you'll see why. And the great thing is, this story is wrapped in mystery and secrecy, and
What is your quest?
and a quest to measure the distance to the sun. Oh, and a lie. As an Antarctic explorer, I naturally admire the heroic Antarctic explorers of the past, and believe it or not, Captain James Cook's voyages lead straight into this strange tale of time running slow in Cayenne. Long before Cook, the Greek scholar Eratosthenes, working in Egypt around 240 BC, noticed that at noon on the summer solstice, the sun shone straight to the bottom of a well in Cayenne, no shadow at all. Yet in Alexandria, about 5,000 stadia away, which is roughly 800 kilometers, a stick cast a measurable shadow. With nothing more than shadow and the distance between two cities, Eratosthenes calculated the size of the Earth, astonishingly close to our modern value. But the big question still remained: how far away is the sun? By 1768, the Royal Society wanted an answer. They sent James Cook to Tahiti.
Where?
Tahiti. It's a magical place.
With two missions. The public one, to observe the transit of Venus across the face of the sun in June 1769. From different sites on Earth, astronomers could use parallax in geometry, the curve of the Earth itself, as a ruler, to calculate the sun's distance. The second mission was secret, sealed in Cook's orders, to search for the fabled southern continent, Terra Australis Incognita. But this wasn't the first time astronomers tried to use parallax. A century earlier, in 1672, Giovanni Cassini observed Mars from Paris, while Jean Richer did the same from Cayenne. By comparing Mars's apparent position against the stars, they triangulated its distance. Then, using Kepler's laws, they scaled that up to the Earth-Sun distance, about 140 million kilometers. Today we know it's 149.6 million, so they were remarkably close. But Richer made another discovery, one he wasn't expecting. He brought with him a pendulum clock carefully calibrated in Paris. In Cayenne, it lost 2.5 minutes every day. His clock seemed broken. To fix it, he had to shorten the pendulum by about 3 millimeters. What was going on? So I said that time runs 2.5 minutes slower in Cayenne than in Paris. But I lied. The truth is, the Earth spins. At Cayenne, the surface speed is over 1,000 miles per hour, and that motion creates an outward centrifugal effect. It makes gravity weaker by about 1/3%. That tiny difference was enough to slow Richer's pendulum. So no, time itself wasn't running slower, but a clock was, and from a pendulum ticking too slow in French Guiana to Cook's telescope in Tahiti, each generation of explorers used Earth itself, its curves, its shadows, its spin, as a ruler to measure the universe. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.